car right now. Guys, I'm in the car right now, and there's a giant storm. There's just a massive lightning bolt, so I'm gonna record it and hopefully see another one. You see that like thing right there? That's all rain.
Did you get that one? There was a...
My dad's also recording, I think. Oh, do you see that one?
Oh. That one literally hit. You see that blue roof over there? It literally hit the ground right over there. Wow.
And there's more over there. This is crazy. Well, anyways, guys, bye.